Hey everybody, James Harris with Bond Street Partners, and today you're in for a whole different experience. We are located in the heart of Calabasas at the most prestigious gated community called the Oaks. Double gated, completely secure, this property is a one of one. Extremely private and unbelievably designed. Let's go inside and check it out. I'm excited to show you around. The moment you enter this property, you do feel at home. The finishes, the furniture, the volume, the ceiling heights, the natural light that comes in, it really does create the perfect home. We're sitting on 1.14 acres, all flat, over 14,500 square feet, 7 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms. You've got the movie theater and the wine cellar. Wait until you see the garden. But in here, you've got this really cool little seating nook, and then over into your formal dining area, of which this is all surrounded by this incredible courtyard area. But you have this stunning oak on the ceilings, oak linear wood slats on the walls, a wet bar here to entertain. And again, everywhere you see around this property, wide hallways, incredible walls for art. And now I'm going to take you over to see the kitchen area that leads to the most insane garden.